Hi, my name is Sophie Harding and I'm an advanced oncology pharmacist at Velindre Cancer Centre in Cardiff. I've trained as a pharmacist independent prescriber in 2010, so about 12 years ago, and since then I've prescribed for patients with breast, lung and gynae cancers. There have been rapid developments in cancer treatments over recent years, and more treatments are becoming available which have been found to be effective in patients who have a cancer which has been identified to have a specific genetic mutation. Genomics affects my practice when practicing as a pharmacist prescriber, prescribing cancer treatments and counselling and educating patients on their medicines. I'm also responsible for checking the results of genomic and pharmacogenomic tests when clinically checking prescriptions for patients prior to dispensing and issuing to patients. Following my involvement in the DPYD pilot project at Velindre Cancer Centre in 2020, I started to become very aware and excited about genomics and how it will impact future healthcare, as well as my own role as a pharmacist. From this, I developed an impetus to gain a greater understanding of the rapid developments in genomics and how it affects and will affect patient care in the future. In specialist areas such as within the management of cancer, HIV and monogenic diabetes, genomics already has an impact on the role of the pharmacist, as genetic test results are reviewed by pharmacists when they are consenting and prescribing treatments for patients within their prescribing role, and also when clinically checking prescriptions prior to dispensing and issuing medicines to patients. Pharmacists across all sectors of healthcare will be needed on the front line to support the implementation of genomics into healthcare, including the spread of genomics education and training to patients and the public. Pharmacists are also already focused on ensuring a high level of patient safety is in place related to medicines, and often already lead on developing robust clinical governance documents within healthcare organisations. Therefore, pharmacists' expertise and experience will be key when working collaboratively to embed genomic testing into clinical treatment pathways. It's absolutely essential that all pharmacists develop an understanding of genomics, because pharmacists are key professionals on the front line of healthcare who have a big impact on patient care and a significant role in optimising patients' medicines. Pharmacists and medicines experts with a background in scientific training who often advise on drug interactions and the safe prescribing, handling and administration of medicines. The pharmacy profession as a whole has to be prepared and appropriately trained for the rapid advancements in genomics related to medicines use, especially regarding the implementation of clinical pharmacogenomics, which is the reason why the RPS are focusing their programme of work around pharmacogenomics. Pharmacogenomics is defined as how an individual's genetic information determines how an individual manages and responds